Hello and welcome to the acids and bases task video. Let's not waste any time and start with the questions. How do acids and bases differ in the way they feel and taste? Give the definition of an acid and a base according to Arrhenius' theory. And secondly, according to the Bronsted-Lowry theory. For these longer questions, you may want to pause every now and then so that you can write down the question and answer before you move on. Identify the conjugate acid-base pairs in these reactions. CH3COO- plus water reacts to form CH3COOH plus OH-. NH4 plus water gives NH3 plus H3O plus. H2SO4 plus water reacts to form HSO4 minus plus H3O plus. H2SO4 plus Cl minus becomes HSO4 minus plus HCl. What is the purpose of a chemical indicator? Where on the pH scale would you find acids, bases, neutral substances? For this question, copy and complete the table or use the one in the series guide called a Guide to Acids and Bases. Give a balanced equation for the reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, nitric acid and magnesium hydroxide, acetic acid and potassium hydroxide. Note that acetic acid is also called ethanoic acid and its formula is CH3COOH. Give a balanced equation for the reaction between nitric acid and calcium carbonate, sulfuric acid and sodium carbonate, hydrochloric acid and magnesium hydroxide, sulfuric acid and magnesium carbonate, nitric acid and calcium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid and potassium oxide. Give an acid-base reaction equation that could be used to produce these substances. KCl MgNO3 twice CaSO4. That brings us to the end of the task video. Thank you for joining us for this series on acids and bases. Grade 11s, if you had any problems with these questions, please watch the other videos in the series on acids and bases. Consult a guide to acids and bases for more on acids and bases. Goodbye.